Oh my gosh, I got something delivered today. I got something. Oh my god, guys, let's go open it. It's my Nespresso. Let's open it. And it comes with free sample coffee. Let's see what's inside. Oh my god. All those coffee flavors. We should try some right away. Let me get it set up. And a milk frother. Oh my god. This just made my day. Like seriously. It's really small. It's really handy. It doesn't consume a lot of space. That's the front part. Here you go. So this is what I got today, and it really made my day. I love it. Oh my god, let's go try it. Let's go try some. So let us read the instructions. So I guess we have to fill this part here. Oh my god, I'm just so excited, guys. So I did fill the water tank. Now turn on the machine. So because it is our first time using it, we will be rinsing the system first. So I'll press that one so it turns it on. Press either of this button and then it will turn it on, and now it's blinking. It means the water is being heated. There we go, it stopped blinking. Now we'll press one button. I'll just take this one out. Press one button so we could rinse the system. Good. I think it's a good rinse. Just put that back. Alright, so I think our system is all ready. Let's pick which coffee we will try. I want to try some espresso. I want to try this one. And that is, it says Capriccio. That one. And I do not know what color it is. Green? Looks like it. Oh. You don't have it. I want some espresso. Let's see, caffeinated. Oh, let's just try this Volto. And it is an espresso. Let's go ahead and, they don't have this one. Capriccio. So I'll try that one. And it is this one. I do not know if you can see that. It's that one. Oh, it doesn't focus. It's something like that. It's really cute. So we will just fold the lever up and then put it that way. I'll just use the regular mug because I do not have an espresso one. I'll be getting more soon. So just press it right there. Oh my God. My God, it smells so good. Now let's open the milk frother. Oh my God. I want to cry. I'm so happy. I'm gonna die right now. Did miss that. Oh my God, guys. I can't be any more happy than my coffee maker. So love it. Put that in. And then cover it. So I'll just press and hold it. Oh my God. I'm so happy. Loving it. I'm gonna die, like seriously. I love coffee. And it is actually recommended by my friend Carla. Hi Carla. She said after they purchased it, they stopped going to the coffee shop because it's really good. It is worth the purchase. So, waiting for my milk to froth, and then we will be putting our espresso. We'll mix it with our espresso. It's done, guys. God, see how frothy it is. Love it. Now we will just pour it in a glass here. And we will just pour the espresso that we... Oh! Shoot. Oh! Shoot. Just wasted it. Bad. So clumsy. Oh my God. Let's try it. Gonna die. It's good. Not going to any coffee shops anymore. So good. I love it. The best. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Take care.